You guys, I done messed up. So, I got the idea. The Hatsu tea, I told you that the Ribaldi YouTuber, I saw him drinking it. And it's like a green tea blend. It has green tea. This specific fruit, it's like a citrus fruit. It's only found, I think, somewhere in Asia. That's mixed in there. So it's a citrus flavored green tea, and it's iced, and it also has chamomile. So that's one of the brands that he's always drinking. And then also I've seen him just drink like regular cups of just like green tea with like the little bag over the top. But it's working wonders for him. And so I tried to add my own chamomile because I have like a whole stockpile of chamomile from doing yoni steams. Like it's if you love to do yoni steams, definitely just buy in bulk. This is the one that I bought, and it's been like, what, 6 months, and I'm nowhere, not even like halfway done with this. Like it's a lot. So anyways, I put some of they're just like the flowers, like just the dried flowers. I put some in one of those little tea bags, reusable ones, and yeah, I added it to my green tea, and I'm about to fall asleep. I was like, oh, my skin's gonna be so amazing. It's gonna be so glowy, and just, oh my gosh. I'm like in slow motion right now. I did not know that chamomile tea has this like effect. So FYI, heads up. Maybe just save the chamomile for like doing a topical. I think maybe I'll add some of it when I do another green tea mask, because I've been doing them every other day. And I might just add some of the actual, well, actually no, I think what I'll do is I'll make a toner out of the tea and I'll spray it as a topical. The problem is chamomile is it's a natural skin bleach, so my face without makeup doesn't need to get any lighter. So really what would be smart is just to have like a huge pot, brew it of chamomile, and then dump it in a bath and soak in that. Honestly, that sounds like an amazing idea. So with the chamomile, obviously this should only be drank at night. And what I've been doing is the spearmint during the day, or even the spearmint like blended in with the green tea. Like it actually tastes really good. Like they blend in citrus, so why not mint? It's actually pretty good. And as far as my skin without makeup, it's actually looking like my face skin, like it's looking pretty good. Some of my acne marks are starting to kind of lighten a little bit. This is my last active breakout right here, so I'm very interested to see if it's going to continue healing and go away, and basically, am I going to get any more? That's what I'm afraid of. So far, this is the last two that were here since before I started the tea regimen. It's only been like 3 days on the tea, and so I'm not sure if the results I'm seeing is from doing the mask. So I've done the mask twice now, or if it's just both, taking everything internally and the mask. But I'm very happy. I'm not even a full 7 days in, so I can imagine what it's going to be like on Sunday or next Monday. So I'm very, very excited. This was one of the best ideas I've got in a long time. The spearmint tea though, thankfully someone recommended it in the comments, because I wasn't hip to spearmint tea doing so much for acne and clearing skin, but I just think it'll be exciting that, because obviously using a topical or making a mask, that's great, but if you have acne like on your back or something, or on your chest, like it's kind of difficult to like walk around with a mask all the time, and so if it can be taken internally, for me that just is way easier, and basically your whole body will just be clear. So I'm very excited to see what things are looking like on day 7, and even more so within like the first month. The chamomile toner might be like a really, really good idea, and this might sound weird, but hear me out. I'm thinking of I'm saying toner because I'm going to put it in a spray bottle, but basically I think it can maybe be used like all over the body, like maybe a serum, a chamomile serum for all over body. So it's just an idea. I don't know if I would smell weird or smell funny, but that's where my mind is going right now. So all I need is a little spray bottle. Mix in the tea. I'm gonna have to leave the tea in the fridge because obviously like it'll spoil if you like leave it out all the time. But just do that for a few days and then put on a lotion on top of it to seal it and see if there's like a difference or anything. I think that might be better than doing the bath, because if you think like the bath, how long can you really stay in the bath? Like maybe 20 minutes. Even if I'm in there for 20 minutes, like that's already like a really long time. So I think if I can figure out doing the toner, as long as like I don't have any like weird smell or any weird stickiness to my skin, I think that would be good. And like if you have it in a spray bottle, you can just do it everywhere. Chest, stomach, legs, you can get the back, arms, hands, and see if it has like a brightening effect or not. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Now I have to go grab or empty out a spray bottle, and I will keep you guys up to date with how that goes. Oh, also it is, we're gaining on like summer, bikini season, short season, skirt season. So I hope everyone is taking renewed interest in working out. I've started my squats back up again. It's been like maybe 2 weeks and I'm already excited. Like things are already starting to like tone up. Like my butt's a little firmer. Before it was very, very jiggly. Not that I have a problem with any jiggliness, but obviously when it's getting a little firmer, it just means like it's gonna project a little more too. So it's gonna be, I don't know. I'm just getting excited. I'm getting really excited. The issue I have with like any type of weight training or anything like that is like I feel like it makes me eat more. So I just get more hungry. Also, that new brand of liquid chlorophyll is amazing. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. I don't even have to like reapply deodorant. Like it keeps everything great. Like you could take a shower in the morning, you could even work out, do things, and then take another shower the next morning and still like actually smell fine. Right before you get into the shower like the next day. Like it works really, really good with body odor. It's amazing. Also, I read this thing about chamomile in hair. For my natural hair underneath my wig, I've just been doing spraying on the rice water and then the castor oil, but like the good castor oil, the castor oil with like the garlic and the onion and the MSM in it. Like it has like everything that stimulates crazy hair growth. So I've been doing that and it's been really great. I've noticed if you put peppermint oil in that, because the castor oil already comes blended, so I don't have to like make my own blend, like so it already has like all of these really good ingredients in it. The smell isn't really that bad, but it is different, I will say that. So I notice if I add peppermint oil to it, it smells way, way better. Also, the smell does dissipate, but like it takes like an hour or two. But as I was saying, that's what I've been doing on my hair, but I read something about the chamomile doing something. I'm not sure if it can also lighten hair over time or how that works, if you do a mask with it or a rinse. But I just thought it was really, really interesting, and I was wondering if anyone else have you heard of anything like about chamomile, adding it to your, I wouldn't really add it to the shampoo because shampoo is rinsed out too quickly, but ever adding it as a leave-in on your hair or maybe as a deep conditioning mask, and what did you notice? Because I don't know, I was just wondering.